I'm shooting a video, luggage rack for the back of the bike. It's a bike light for the tail. Right now we have it set up as we're riding, it's blinking. Today I got the Insta360 X5 with me. It's not hooked up, the Insta360 Mic Pro is hooked up directly to, you got it, the Luna Ultra. And I am shooting with a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and DJI Mic 2. Hey, I'm Fish. I needed to get a couple of shots. I did it last night, and I got to do a lot of object motion blur, not motion blur, mosaic, and do all this, get these license plates and cars, and just concentrate on the bike light and me, and get these shots because it's low light, and I needed to get it. I got to change off of pure video mode and super night, which right now we're not on super night, we're on regular video mode. It seemed to be just a little darker, maybe because I got my brightness set down and the EV down to -0.7. I'm like thinking, my DJI Osmo is not a nano. I just couldn't stick it on that goalpost. But I was able to put the camera on there, but I just wanted Insta360 shots, nothing more. I always capture the shots of the fishing boats getting ready to go out. Some engines are on, some are not. Hot Bagels has become a cannabis cafe. Would have been great to see it be like an ice cream parlor, ISIS parlor, things like that. We got the wind happening, so let's get on going. Get across the bridge. We'll pull up to our favorite spot over here. And take a look at the sky, the cloud formation, and what it looks like over the bay. No zoom today because I would have caught some of that plane and the reflection at its tail. It still would be hard to see through the touchscreen. Even on the Action 5 Pro, even on the X5, on any cameras. The only camera I get to see is the viewfinder of the Sony Z. Nope, take that back, the Sony HX90V. How many more days? It's down there. Fish, you need to add in the 360 video. And then after this video, you can continue on with the X5. I finally hooked up the mic. The mic gear was hooked up. It wasn't the Mic Pro. I knew that. So I deleted it off. I'll set it up back at the house. I'm on InstaFrame 2.0. I don't think it has low light capabilities. You don't really need low light on the camera. But I hear that the Insta360 X6, man, it's going to be a whole different camera. Yes, indeed. All right, the tar has dried, that little black spot line that I was talking about. And they still haven't done anything else but this side. I guess it takes time to do things, right? And that's the thing we're waiting for. Some time for doing things here. So let's get down to the beach, go have some fun. Go have a highlight of the talk. I was praising how nice and clean it was. Now I got a little bit of a mess by the spot I need to talk at. The light here is not that bad. It's upright. It comes off very easy. And the thing is, it don't stop when you stop after 30 seconds or a minute. I like my other light, which gives a break and then will turn off if you forget, and it lasts hours on end. Not bad, no complaints. It could be a little bit better. Change, it's gotta come. Nothing wrong with change. Change is good. Loose change wiggles. And it's still good to change up things. I know on one platform my voice stays exactly like I'm talking, how I hear it. But on this platform, if I'm talking nice and comfortable, differently, like a little softer, like I'm doing now, basically, my voice is totally different. Artificial intelligence is touching it up when I load it. I didn't ask for artificial intelligence to touch my voice, and we all know what platform that is. I'm not going to mention the platform, but they are doing things that they should ask you, and they do not. And I noticed this on a number of things I do. Well, I find this very heavy for me, and I'm hoping the X6 is a lot lighter. I don't know if I need all this stick. 6 feet, maybe I'll grab my other stick. This is all I need to be on the bike. Does anybody out there know of a much stronger and lighter stick than the Insta360 that they like, that they can trust the tip on? That this tip is too thin if asked. Well, I am going to go all the way out, and I am going to say, when I get it ready and set up, take and go get my shot. I'm in Instaframe 2.0. And I walk with my left hand. It's a little stronger hand than my right hand. And I want to get the shot like this. Well, this is giving me excellent posture. Oh yeah, man. I could capture that bird right out there. Yes, indeed. Oh, we can watch that plane go, but it's looking at me. Well, there's a lot you can do with the Insta360 if asked. Bring it up on your shoulder and walk, take it on vacation. Oh yeah. You decide which cameras you like. Having a number of cameras to get different shots and all these different angles. 360 camera could do it all, but you can't put it there, go walk out there, get the shot, unless you reenact it all over again, do it all over. Well, I can stop it with the Mic Pro, and I can't stop it with the DJI. I have audio. I don't think I could stop it. It doesn't work as that, but it works as a microphone. I don't love a double clamp system like this for the reasons of this thing shakes all over the place. It wobbles. You need to have 2 clamps. For me, I guess I worry too much. Well, it's time for me to grab you and get on out of here. My light's still on. Maybe I'll change it to a different color. At least I'm able to be seen. But I like my other light better. But I like this being flush. I was promised 2 of the 4. I only got 1. You're riding at daytime and you want to be seen. And it can be seen at distance. The lumens, the radius, the light. Well, I got my shots. Let's see if I could do it. Can I pick you up and get you going? I almost dropped you. I think I need another shot. All right, I got all these files and videos I need to put together. Let's get on going. The family all going down the wee hours to swim at the beach. It's the best time. Less crowded. Yes, indeed. Squirrel. Go up the tree. Run away. Well, I'm Fish. I went out to do what I had to do and share it to the world. Yes, indeed. And on that note, I'll put it together and get it on out there. Keeps me busy, keeps me occupied, makes me go. And there's the sunrise. You get to see it all. Got you on another one. As I said a lot, did a lot, shit a lot, I gotta go meet up with Joe. But before I go, you have a wonderful day.